Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for our last episode. If you're here for the first time, I highly recommend watching the video where we talked about the G7 and G20. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is the G7 made up of the 7 poorest countries in the world? No, the G7 includes the most advanced economies. Does the G20 include countries like China and India? Yes, both are part of the G20. Do the G7 and G20 create international laws? No, they are informal groups that influence decisions but don't make laws. Was the G20 created to respond to world financial crises? Yes, it was formed to promote global economic stability. Does the G7 meet once every 10 years? No, they meet every year. Is the United States a member of both the G7 and G20? Yes, the US is part of both groups. Does the G20 include more countries than the G7? Yes, the G20 includes 20 members, while the G7 has only 7. Are the G7 and G20 meetings focused only on military topics? No, they mostly focus on economics, development, and global cooperation. Is the G20 made up only of European countries? No, it includes countries from all over the world. Should you watch the video multiple times to improve your English? Yes, repetition helps you understand and remember new words and ideas. Great job! Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss our next episodes. See you soon for another amazing journey into English and global culture.